The Holy Rosary, a prayer, a meditation, a weapon of grace, but where did it begin? In the early church, monks prayed all 150 psalms daily, but many lay people couldn't read. So they began reciting 150 Our Fathers, counted on knotted ropes. Eventually a new prayer took shape, the Hail Mary, drawn from Scripture. Luke chapter 1 verse 28, Hail, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Luke chapter 1 verse 42. Blessed art thou among women. This became the heart of the Rosary. Over the centuries, the Rosary evolved, becoming a cherished tradition for countless faithful. It served as a means of contemplation, a source of comfort, and a way to connect deeply with the divine. From simple knotted ropes to intricately crafted beads, the Rosary has journeyed through time, adapting yet remaining a steadfast pillar of devotion. Today it continues to inspire and guide, a testament to its enduring power and grace. In the 13th century, tradition says the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to Saint Dominic. She gave him the Rosary as a spiritual weapon to convert sinners and defeat heresy. Dominicans spread the devotion worldwide. By the 15th century, the Rosary had 15 mysteries, joyful, sorrowful, and glorious, each reflecting moments in Jesus' life. In 2002, Pope John Paul II added 5 more, the luminous mysteries, illuminating Christ's public ministry. The Rosary today. The Rosary is more than repetition, it's a spiritual journey through the Gospel, with Mary leading us closer to Jesus. Each bead is a meditation, each decade a reflection. The Rosary is the Gospel in your hands. Pray it, live it, share it. If this touched your heart, share this video with someone who needs peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more inspiring Catholic content. God bless you.